I was supposed to do 1 minute and I got carried away.
Well, we love it. Yeah.
I'm Emily Boucher, and I'm going to introduce one of my best friends. I'm going to start by introducing every one of you. Fake out. And now I'm going to introduce Jocelyn Foye. Give it up. Hi everybody, I'm Jocelyn, and this is my hair. It gets in the way all the time. Anyway, so I get to say now I'm the executive director to the Woman Project, and it's an honor to work with y'all. I can't tell you how I wish we weren't here. I wish I could say I wish I wasn't seeing you right now, but we're here. And now it's time to move. And we're here to give you options and opportunities to do that with us and all these different partners in the state that are also doing that awesome work with us too. So the decision today obviously was devastating. Some of us were expecting it. Some of us were surprised by it, but everybody was feeling it. Precedent for 50 years is now gone. The impact has been swift and devastating. This decision not only severely limits abortion access in at least 26 states, but will exacerbate existing barriers, especially for people of color, individuals with low incomes, the LGBTQIA community, incarcerated folks, and immigrants. Hostile states will likely try to ban abortions, and some already have. As of right now, in the last 30 minutes, it went from 6 states to 9 states that have now banned abortion. We have Oklahoma, Missouri, South Dakota, Kentucky, and there's 3 more that I didn't get before writing this speech. The Louisiana Attorney General just said their trigger bans outlawing abortion is in effect. The Texas Attorney General just released an advisory about a pre-Roe ban going into effect. They're all moving really fast. As many as 20 other states have either trigger laws or bans that could become effective in the next days or weeks that will outright and mostly complete ban abortions. Here in Rhode Island, we have a little bit of grace. Because of the work that we did together in 2019, so many of y'all showed up. Y'all made your voices heard, and the power of the people is powerful in Rhode Island, and we need it again. In 2019, we passed a bill that made the right to abortion real, but that means that only certain people have that right. So what it means is in 2019, we passed an abortion bill, and in 2022, we're all fighting for a race equity issue so everyone's included in that access. There was a bill that was created here in Rhode Island this past session. It's called the Equality in Abortion Coverage Act. And it gives everybody this access. It was led by Rep. Lana Kassar and is led by Senator Bridget Valverde, who are over here somewhere. We need to speak up loudly and defiantly and make it clear that abortion is a right for all, and we should have it be accessible for everyone everywhere. And your General Assembly members need to hear from you. They're waiting to hear from you. They tell us they're not hearing it enough. They don't think people care because they're not getting phone calls or emails or being talked with day to day. So we all have a moment now that it's time to stop and take that into our own hands and say we can do something about it. So we're in this together, and we're strong, and tonight is just the beginning. I'm thrilled to get to stand up here with so many incredible activists who are going to talk about the different things that now, due to this precedent, are now under attack as well. And there's a range of issues. So by the time you leave here, stop and say, who can I meet? Who can I help? And what am I going to do? And it doesn't need to be a lot. It could be a little thing. It could be a ton of things. But we're going to give you those chances. I'll follow up more with you soon, especially when the projections get to come on because it's darker, but they're not up yet.